Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing my top 5 favorite drugstore illuminators. So these can range from liquid to powder, whatever, to stick. If it is a highlighter, then it might be in this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going over my top 5, and I've had there's a couple new products in here, but I gave it a good month of testing in order to put it in this video. So yeah, I have really affordable ones all the way up to a little more pricey at the drugstore, but I have all different kinds, and again, this is only my personal opinion. These are what work for me. What worked for me might not work for you. Everybody has different skin types, preferences, skin tone, you know what I mean? So it just all depends, but these are gonna all be my top 5 favorite drugstore highlights. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna go start off with these are like my holy grail. These are the best, honestly, the best highlighters I've ever seen in a drugstore, hands down. Okay, so they are the butter highlighters by Physicians Formula, and I got these two to share with you guys today. So these are Physicians Formula, like I said, and they are in Canada, they are $18.99 Canadian from the drugstore. So they are a little bit more on the pricey side, but I really like Physicians Formula because they're all, you know, if you're buying Physicians Formula, you're getting cruelty-free. They're vegan, I'm pretty sure they're vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic. There's usually unscented. So they have a lot of natural ingredients in them, and not just this highlighter, but in all their products. So that's why they are a little bit more pricey. I don't mind paying a little bit more if I'm getting a good product. So yeah, and these are the two I have to share with you guys. I really love both of them, but Murmur Butter Highlighter, we'll start with that one. Oh no, sorry, Rose Gold. So this one's Rose Gold, and it looks like that. And these are so creamy and like wet. They're beautiful. I'm gonna swatch them for you. Yeah, like they're very creamy and buttery. And then this one is Champagne. Looks like that. So this one is the Rose Gold, and this one is the Champagne one. I don't know what one I like better. I think I might like the Rose Gold better just on my skin type. So Rose Gold, Champagne. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and I love the feeling of them. They're so creamy. That's one thing I really like about them, is they're just really creamy and buttery, kind of like the butter bronzer and the butter blush. So really love those. Are like, I think the butter bronzer and blush are my favorite. This one came out a little bit while ago, a couple, I think last year this came out. It's called Shimmer Strobing, and this is a highlight contour palette, and this is a bronze booster. Looks like that. They have a matte one too, but for this, yeah, I wouldn't put the matte one in this video. I like that one too, but I definitely found myself reaching for this one a lot more. And this is what the colors look. This is what they look like. So I don't ever really reach for this, because I don't really like really shimmery bronzers, and it's kind of orangey. I really like this white one, and then this gold one, but I'll swatch all of them for you guys so you can see. If you guys like a really intense highlight, then you're definitely gonna want this one. This is $15 to Canadian at your local drugstore, and yeah, this one's really good too. This is also by Physicians Formula. So I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. So this goes like that. So as you can tell, like, so this is the light one, that's the goldy one. I tend to reach for this highlight a little more, but aren't they beautiful? very, like, this one is so intense. This would be good for like really fair skin tones. This is just really orange. I don't think I'd ever wear that on my cheeks, but yeah, so beautiful. I didn't tell you guys, so this was my first one, my top pick, and then it goes for my second. So this one's my second pick, and then so my third would be Essence. This is Essence Pure Nude, and I really, this is a really subtle highlight. Like, it's not a, there's no like bits of, that's what it looks like. There's no bits of glitter or anything in it. It's really beautiful. It's like, if, you know, on those days you're not wearing a lot of makeup, you just want like a nice summer glow. This definitely is the one for you. And this is literally $4.49. So that's the highlighter. That's the Essence right there. See, it's very subtle. It's very beautiful. It's kind of got like an iridescent, or it's very, very creamy. So yeah, I really, love that one. I wear that one when like I said, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. And so these are really wicked too. So they have two, which is really cool because this one's really good to throw in your purse on the go. You know, it's just really easy. You just, you know, draw it on and then bam. So these are really, this is really good to put in your purse. And then this one's really good to apply with your foundation. Like if you want to put it on before, you know, mix it in with your foundation, it would put a really nice, beautiful glow on you. Or you could just dab it on. You could do so many things with these sticks. So these ones are, so the Maybelline, the liquid here, this is $10, and then the sticks is $8 Canadian. So this one I have here is Medium Nude Glow, and I have a couple of other ones, but, and then the illuminator highlight, this stick here, this one is in Light. I really like this stick too. I think I like the stick almost better. So that's the liquid, Maybelline liquid, and that's the stick, the strobing stick. I really love this one. This one's like bam. I like mixing this one in with my moisturizers or mixing them with my foundation. Last but not least is, this one's a new one actually. This is the Essence Make Me Glow. It looks just like that. It's so cute. And this one just came out, and I'll read to you what it says. This one is Morning Mist in a bottle, and it's a liquid highlighter. This is $3.99 for this little guy. And it says it's a liquid highlight with subtle, I can't say that word, silky pink pigments for a fresh radiance and naturally healthy glow look on cheeks. This is supposed to make you look just healthy, natural. It's more toned down. So, and this actually has it has kind of like a florally scent. So if you don't like scents, I would probably steer clear from this. And it sets really fast, so you want to move very quickly when you're using this, but like I said, it's $3.99, and this one's really good too, just to put in your purse because it's so small. And yeah, it's got a pretty strong florally scent, but the color is beautiful. Wait till you see it. And what I like about it too, it has a little applicator thing, so if you want to dab it on your cheeks, you can. And it's called the Make Me Glow by Essence. So that's what it looks like. It's just beautiful. That's what it looks like rubbed in. Wow. So that was my top 5 favorite foundations at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!